Hey guys, this is a 2008 Toyota Estima 2.4 with hybrid system and 4-wheel drive. Down 109K. It's very shiny black color. Comes with the fog light, MIG wheel, very shiny 7-seater. The car just arrived. It's got a dent here, which we're going to repair. Very good color. It's a smart key and keyless entry. It comes with 2 smart keys. It's tidy beige interior. And it comes with a left side power sliding door. The right side is manual. In the middle, got a 2 seats. Very comfortable. You can open this for the leg. The seat can slide forward and back, so give you more space. Okay, let me just fold. See, you can kind of lay on the seat. Very comfortable. The third row seat, you can hide under here. So if you don't need it, you can hide either half or the whole seat. Third row seat, hide down there, give you more luggage space. And when you need it, just pull out. The power door I already turned off. I'll show you later when I turn it on. So other seat the same. It's good space. This side, because I put the back, so quite like in the back, so it's it looks small space, but actually it can move forward a bit, so it will give you plenty of leg room. It's very clean interior. All right, let's sit in. Start the engine. $109K, and it comes with a parking sensor and reverse camera too. Some space in the front. On the bottom here. Other side also space on the top, space on the bottom. Lots of space. And 2 cup holder here. Those are 2 smart key. It also comes with a snow mode and EV mode. And in the middle here, you can open the big space. Let's show you. Let's turn the power door on. Okay. You can control the power door by the button in the front here, or you can control by your key. And you can disable it when you feel maybe the kid will play in the door, so you can disable the power door function. Just manually open. Very comfortable, this car. It's very good for family. Got a large space. Okay, under the hood, it's a Toyota engine and hybrid system. It's pretty clean. It's very good 7-seater people mover. Actually, it's like kind of van, but got a lot of space. It's good for the family who is quite tall. The kids is quite big. Then it's really good for the family use. And it's a hybrid, good on fuel, and 4-wheel drive. It's very safe when you, especially you travel on the open road or go to the mountain, go ski. It's a very good safety rating.